Edison has 4 pounds of brownie batter. He divides the batter into 1/5 pound pieces. How many brownie pieces can he make? So, before I start doing anything with this problem, I first want to start to think about what is it that Edison has? So, who could tell me what does Edison have? That's right. He has 4 pounds of brownie batter. And I always want to remember, I always start with what I have. So I'm even going to list that. This is what I have. And I also see that there's another key word here. What word do you see that tells me the operation when you look in this word problem? That's right. It actually says the word divides. He has 4 pounds, that's what he has, and he's dividing it into 1/5 pound pieces. So we want to know how many brownie pieces he can make. So first I notice he has 4 pounds. I see the keyword divides, and I also see pieces. So I know I'm going to divide, and I'm dividing them into 1/5 size pieces. So I'm going to use my favorite strategy. I'm going to use keep, change, flip. So I'm going to keep the 4 the same. And I know I'm going to change the division symbol. What is the division symbol going to become? That's right. It's going to become times, because I also know that division and multiplication are inverses of each other. So I'm going to keep, change, and lastly, I'm going to flip. 1/5 flipped, I know is 5/1. But I also know that I don't even need the 1 on the bottom, because 5/1, anytime I have a number over 1, that just means it is a whole. So I'm going to just put 5. What is 5 times 4? That's right, it would be 20. Now, I do also notice that they gave me a number line, which I could use a number line to solve this problem. So Edison has 4 pounds of brownie batter. So I'm going to use my highlighter tool. He has 4 pounds. So I'm going to shade in. Do you think I'm going to shade in 1, 2, 3, or 4 pounds? What does he have? That's right, he has 4. So I'm going to shade in 4. Now that I have 4 pounds shaded in, because from 0 to 4 is shaded, I'm now going to split each whole into fifths, or 5 pieces. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's make sure I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then I'm going to split this one into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. There should now be 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to continue to split each whole into 5 equal parts. And now if I look carefully, I should see that there should be 5 pieces here, 5 pieces here, 5 brownie pieces here, and 5 brownie pieces there. So, how many brownie pieces would Edison have altogether if I had 4 pounds and he divides each whole into fifths? That's right, it would give me 20. 5, 10, 15, 20 brownie pieces. I also want you to remember that if you don't like the number line strategy, you also could model 4 pounds. So as you can see, I shaded in 4 holes. So this would be 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, the 4 pounds of brownie batter. And then you can split each of these holes into fifths. So if that's a strategy that you like too, we could also split this into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal pieces. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one split into 5. This one split into fifths. This one split into fifths. And this one split into fifths. And you would also notice if you count up all of the shaded pieces, you would also get 20. I also know that this answer is reasonable because if I start with a whole number, my quotient should also be a whole number. I hope this helps.